welcome to my studio. Recently, I did an unboxing of the Anna Griffin Mystery Kit for May 2026, and these are all of the items that we received in the kit. And today, I'm going to make page kits out of this collection, and I will be using not just items in this collection, but very possibly other collections to complete a page. Let's get started. The first thing that I would like to do is separate out all of the stickers and ephemera and sentiments titles that we have. I am going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I have separated out the stickers, and the first tray looks like this. And then we have this tray. This tray. And this tray. Next, I have larger trays that I have put the foil stickers in. And I separated them out like this. And I do this, it takes me just a second to do it, but it saves me a lot of time whenever I am putting the page kits together. I like that process to be pretty quick. This paper is single-sided, so we only have 2 sheets of each paper. I don't think we'll get a lot of pages out of it the way that it is. I'm going to go over to my storage cube and I'm going to see if I can find a collection that I think will go well with this to add back in some more paper, because personally I use 3 to 4 different prints on one page layout. So I'll be right back. I was able to find my handsome cardstock, and I'm going to incorporate some of these pages with the kit that we got in the mystery box. Okay, now we have the original 2-page of each design papers that we received in the mystery kit. That would be these papers. And I have added the Handsome Collection papers to these. Okay, we'll start with this paper. I see a lot of different designs that this would look good with. I like this gold. We only have one of each of these, so I think I'll match this gold. Let's include this red. I think that's a really nice combination of colors. So that will be the first set. And on the map, I'll do a 2-page spread. So I only need one other page for this. And I think I'm just going to stay with the lighter design here. And I'm going to pick this diamond pattern with the gray. And then we have the suit patterns, vest patterns. I think I'll try this denim. Oh, that looks really good. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this other paper. So this will be another kit. This is, I love this print. It's so 70s and so retro. I love it. But it is going to be hard to work with because it's really a specialized print. I like the red with it. And I think that's all I'll use. I'll just pull the red and maybe do a double page spread with this one as well. This is such a pretty, to me, a coastal type of paisley print, and I really, really like it. It goes really well with this paper. There we go. And I also like it with this teal paper. It's teal, but it also has a little darker green in the circles, and you may or may not be able to tell. It's another page kit. We can use this, gosh, with any of these. So I think I want to pull this print, and I'm also going to add in this gold. It has a green background with gold foiling, and I think the three of those will make a pretty page. First, right off the bat, these three that came from the original mystery box, that's a page right there. And then, of course, these three papers, they match up really nicely as well. So that's a kit. On the back of this stripe, we have the shirt, the different folded men's shirts. And on the red stripe, we have the same. Let's see what's on the back of here. Oh, we have the men's suit. Oh, that really looks good together. I like that. So there's another page. Okay, here we have our first page kit that we put together. Let's pick a few things that we want to add to this page. I think I'll start out with champagne. Why not? And let's do an award since we have champagne. A couple of these cigar band. But we will include these two flourishes. So that is page 1. And also with this, keep in mind that I'll be adding frames and borders to these as I create them. So that is the beginning of page 1. And then we have page 2. Page 2 has a lot of green in the print, and let's take a look at these three. Okay, there are a lot of things we can do with this one. And that, and that. Oh, I really like this with this particular design. And throw in some stars. An old car, why not? And that is our second page kit. The next kit, we have these papers. Let's start out with this vintage train. Throw in a flourish like that, trunk. And there we have our next page kit. The next kit, we have these three patterns to work with. Let's see what I think will go well with that. Let's throw in a watch and a compass. Whoops. Let's throw in this flourish. 2 of those. And a champagne bottle and one of these. Let's put some glasses in for good measure. We have the retro paper and the red. And on the back of the red, we have this design. So yeah, we'll stick with the red. And with this one, I think, let's throw in the cigar bands. Throw in this. So let's put 2 of these on there. With these, some stars. And that will be our next. This is a double page. Next we have the dressmaker or suit maker pattern, and on the back it's no pattern at all. Let's see what's on the back of this one. Yeah, we won't use that. Okay, so here we have these 2 papers and one of this paper. So I think we're going to do, let's put both of these in there. We have one flourish left. Let's throw in the top hats. Let's see, put that, and that'll be a kit. Let's throw in some shoes. I see Dartmouth on this map, so that gives you an idea of what region this is from. Use this, 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 and this, and this. And that will make the next page. Now this is our last kit. These are the papers. Oh, I love this selection. Okay, let's make this a celebratory page. Let's throw these in there with whatever leftover stars we have. We'll throw these in there. And these two. I'm not sure what those are. Let's put this page kit together. These are papers that I will be using to cut out some of the frames and this embellishment that we got. It's a die, and I'll be making frames out of these papers. I'll also incorporate red. I will also use some of this brighter blue, and there is a gray that I think is very pretty, and I will use that as well. And these are all from the Handsome collection. There's a pretty brown, coppery, bronzy brown. These are from the Anna Griffin multi-matte foil cardstock collection. I will also be using this color on the retro page to make frames. I found some borders from the Jack collection, and I think they will go very nicely with this collection. They just match back beautifully. We have this design, and we have this design, and this design. I also have dies that are borders that I may use. I like this one. That matches back to this border. And I also like this one. This one came out of the Jack collection. This one came out of, I believe it was the Love collection that we did with Anna for the Create. So right now, I think that is going to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to coming back and putting these pages together with you in the future. So thank you again for staying with me to the end, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.